need to fetch user data for your AI applications without writing complex API wrappers. You'll see how to create a simple, FastMCP tool that returns structured user information with just a decorator and type hints. The pattern handles all the schema generation and validation automatically, exposing clean data to your AI models.
At MCP tool. Def get user data, user ID, SDR, dict. Get user data. Return name, Alice age 30 active true.
This demonstrates the AI tool integration pattern, where Python functions become callable endpoints for language models. The decorator-based approach transforms ordinary functions into typed, self-describing tools that AI systems can discover and invoke. What makes this distinctive is its dual nature. The same function serves both as executable code and as a structured capability definition for AI clients. The pattern works by leveraging Python's type system and decorator metadata to create a bridge between human-readable code and machine-readable schemas. Type annotations define the input-output contract, while the decorator handles registration, validation, and protocol translation automatically. This creates a clean separation where your business logic remains pure Python, while the framework manages all the RPC complexity, including parameter validation, error handling, and protocol serialization. This approach solves the integration gap between AI systems and backend services. Instead of building custom APIs or writing glue code, you define capabilities as native functions, and the framework handles the rest. It's particularly valuable for AI workflows where you need to expose dynamic capabilities without hard-coding them into prompts, while maintaining type safety and discoverability. The trade-off is some initial decorator overhead, but it eliminates the need for separate API layers or manual schema maintenance. Let's break it down line by line.
At MCP tool. Def get user data, user ID, SDR, dict. Get user data.
The @MCP tool decorator marks this function as an AI callable tool. FastMCP uses the type hints and docstring to auto-generate the tool schema, ensuring consistent AI integration without manual configuration.
Return name, Alice age 30 active true.
This returns mock user data as a dictionary, implementing a placeholder response for the tool. The static return value enables testing the tool's schema and integration before connecting to real data sources. FastMCP tool decorator pattern. The @MCP tool decorator transforms Python functions into AI callable endpoints, automatically generating schemas and handling both structured and unstructured content without explicit output definitions. Returning dictionaries or objects creates dual-mode content, structured plus text, automatically, while primitives require type hints for structured serialization. This pattern eliminates boilerplate while maintaining full client compatibility.
The decorator that names the tool becomes nameless to the client.